Hello everyone, welcome back to Future Phone Flash. Today, we're bringing you exciting updates from Samsung. Recently, on July 10th, Samsung unveiled their newest foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. New features. These latest models introduce Samsung's innovative Galaxy 8i foldable technology. Samsung anticipates a 10% sales increase compared to their previous models, banking on the appeal of these new additions. Enhancements. T.M. Rowe, president of Samsung's mobile division, announced these enhancements at the recent Unpacked event in Paris. He highlighted user-friendly improvements such as enhanced cameras, longer battery life, upgraded chipsets, and advanced AI capabilities. These upgrades are designed to enhance global performance. Market dynamics. Samsung has traditionally led the foldable phone market, but faced recent competition, particularly from Huawei. Despite challenges, Rowe believes healthy competition benefits consumers in the long run. Outro. What are your thoughts on Samsung's strategy to increase sales with the Fold 6 and Flip 6? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Future Phone Flash for more tech updates and news. Stay tuned for our next video.